Awesome. We are on step number 2, invite, of this recruiting journey. We're super excited for you to be here and a part of this with all of us. So next steps, just to kind of give you a little teaser what the next steps are, we're going to be talking about presenting, how to follow up, and how to become, or how to get people to actually sign up, okay? My mom's going to get into this in a second, the 8 steps of a professional invitation, how to invite people. So remember, this invitation approach can be used for any of the 3 methods that we talked about in the last step, which were the list, the circles of influence, those people that are around you, the face-to-face when you're people out and about with people, when you're actually talking with them, and the last one is the social media.
Are you ready to know what those 8 steps are? It's kind of like, ooh, I can't wait. Well, number 1 is be in a hurry. So if you're on the phone, just say, hey, I'm just running out the door. I only have a quick second, because they don't want to be on the phone with you for an hour and they think, oh, there's that person that's going to be an hour. But if you let them know you're in a hurry, then they're like, oh, okay, they're not taking my whole day. Or what if you're texting them? Just say, oh my gosh, I just thought of you and I just wanted to send you a quick text. Say that hurried word, that quick word in there, so they know that it's not going to be drawn out in a time commitment for them. Number 2 is compliment them. You're such a good mom. You are so trendy. I love the way you look all the time. Give them a true compliment about what you know about them. Number 3 is the invitation. Now there's 3 parts of the invitation. Number 1 is being direct. Number 2 is indirect. And number 3 is super indirect. Number 4 is would you? That means if I give you a video, would you watch it? If I gave you a piece of jewelry, would you wear it? And then number 5, get a time. If I gave you a video on the opportunity presentation, would you watch it? When? Well, they're going to say, oh, I won't have time today or tomorrow, but maybe Saturday I'll have a little bit of time. So number 5 is get them to commit. If they say, well, I don't know, ask them another question. Well, if you were available on Saturday, would you take the time to do it? Or over the weekend? If they say I have to work, I don't know, but get them to commit on a time, because we all can say, I can fit that in my schedule sometime. Number 6 is confirm the time. They said, well, I'll watch it on Saturday. So you say, okay, you'll watch it on Saturday? Great. So number 6 is confirm the time. Number 7 is follow up. They said they're going to watch it on Saturday. You reiterated that. You confirmed that in 6. You're going to watch it on Saturday, correct? Yes. And then number 7 is follow-up. So if you watch it on Saturday, can I call you Monday afternoon or Sunday afternoon? Whatever works for you. Because that gives them the commitment to know that you will be back and they know when that's going to be. Then end it. Don't draw it out like, oh, well, blah, blah, blah. You know how we do that sometimes? We don't know how to close. Just say, thank you so much. See you Sunday. Goodbye. Oh my gosh, this is going to be the best thing. Just remember, love your life.
My mom just finished the 8 steps of the professional invitation. We're super excited to get into these things. And guess what? Don't worry that we've got in the scripting tool, we've got examples of each one of these steps, so you can kind of go into them. The step 3, the invitation, making the invitation that my mom went into, the direct, indirect, and super indirect. The next video, we're gonna talk about that a little bit more and kind of more detailed, because there's gonna be different approaches for your hot and warm market people and your cold. So stay tuned. We're gonna get that in the next video. Remember, love your life.